Do you want to see them all? You want to see them all? Well, Samson the Hairman delivers Brexit. The message in this crazy video was, get on with it, don't sit on the face. Face the challenges like us British do. Brexit is Brexit. And look what I achieved in my anger. Because I think I made it clear to a lot of people. Brexit has cost me £120,000 because look at that tumbleweed, like a hair system going down. That's what I did yesterday. Because of the money markets, and I pay everything in dollars. Just imagine if all the small businesses struggling just went, do you know what, I've had enough of this. The government would be in massive trouble. So guys, the message is, just get on with it, like Samson. He started off bold. He grew his hair back and grew the strength to do this. And after a fantastic salmon meal yesterday by my beautiful fiancée Judy, look what's happened for this morning. My hair has grown even more. Do you want to see them all?